Hi, we're just popping on to announce some very special news that we are launching a new series of Wu Wei Wisdom online retreats. And our next event will be on the 12th and 30th of September 2020. And you can join wherever you are in the world via Zoom video call. And during the weekend, there will be over 7 hours of live and interactive coaching, teaching, and Wu Wei Wisdom activities for you to share with me and David and lots of like-minded people from all over the world. So during the weekend, you'll get lots of fresh insight and inspiration to help you with your inner child healing and reparenting work. And for all of you who are interested in learning how to work with the golden thread process and how to apply it to your life, this online retreat will offer you an introduction to the step-by-step process and how to use it. And David, we're going to be doing some coaching.
Yeah, the second day, if any of you are brave enough, you can volunteer and I'll do it with you. And we'll go through your golden thread. We find when we do these physical retreats, this is the most profound time to either go through it yourself or to watch someone else go through it. Then you'll learn how to do it for you. Then you'll learn, I'll show you the typical blockages, the stagnations, the diversions, how to get through those. And so this is the power of this weekend.
And also, even if you don't want to volunteer for the Golden Thread process coaching with David, just watching David do the Golden Thread process on other guests at the event, I know our guests always say it gives them so much insight and understanding on how the Golden Thread process works.
But I'm sure you want to volunteer for yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And so then finally, the last thing we'll be doing during the weekend, over those 7 hours of teaching and coaching sessions, we're going to allow plenty of time for the Taoist practices.
Yes, for reflection, for meditation. I'll be giving you some very simple Qigong stances that you can practice. We'll be talking about Qigong healing and how you can do that on yourself. So we try and get a nice balance between the two.
And we want to make this a really nurturing weekend for your mind and your body. So you will leave the session totally infused and inspired. And as David said, we'll be doing the Qigong healing. We'll be doing some basic introduction to Qigong meditation stances and lots of beautiful guided mindfulness meditation with David as well. And if that is not enough,
if that's not enough,
in addition to the weekends teaching and coaching and activities, as part of the event, you'll also have the opportunity to join our private event Facebook group, which will be open for 6 weeks of extra teaching and sharing and discussion with other guests and David and I to help deepen your understanding and explore everything that you've learned in the weekend's retreat event. And if you live in a time zone which is a little bit awkward, don't worry, because we also have session replays available. So everyone who comes to the retreat will get the session replays, and you can also buy a replay ticket if you can't attend the event live. And you'll have the opportunity to also become a member of the private event Facebook group. So it's a fantastic event. We're looking forward to spending that more intimate time with you to share with you and support you on all the Wu Wei Wisdom teachings during the weekend. If you'd like to learn more about this upcoming event on the 12th and 13th of September or our future retreats as well, I will put a link below so you can learn much more about the event and book your place. We look forward to seeing you very soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.